All right, so it's been a while now since I fell into the wish.com rabbit hole of all sorts of everything you can potentially buy that may or may not be good, but I'm back at it. I thought to myself, well, can we actually find something that's useful on wish.com? Something that might actually be good at a good price. So I went on and bought 4 different things at under $10. In fact, one of them is $1, $3, $10 to see what we would end up getting and if it's any good. So let's check them out. Here are the standard wish.com package. And there's a couple things in here that I've been actually eyeballing on different sites that I figured why not just pick it up at a bargain price and see what we get. Hey everyone, this is Carl from Techful Goodies. And for our first product, I don't know what's in each one of these. I do know what I ordered, but I have absolutely no clue what's in each one of these packages. So let's open them up. Okay. A little bit smaller than I was expecting. This is actually a ring light. And again, my focus was to pick up things that were potentially usable on my journey here of becoming a pro creator on YouTube. So I picked myself up a ring light. And like I said, I don't know. It's a little smaller than the picture shows. Let me go ahead and show that up on here on the screen. So in terms of the size of it compared to my phone, if you see in the picture here, this is about the size of the ring light they sent me. Not one where I would be expecting to have my whole phone within the ring light. So yeah, not starting off well, but it might be something that we can use here. This was $5 on wish.com. Comes with this extremely fragile / maybe unusable ball joint. But for the weight of this ring light, it might be okay. So let's go ahead and screw this on the bottom here. All right, well, good news there. It actually screws on. And it looks like it comes with an inline controller from the power cable. I think at least one of the good things about this light is that it does have a USB port, so that if you want to use your computer for the light, I think that would work just fine. As you can see, it does have this inline controller. Looks like brightness up, brightness down. I think you can change between different color warmth options. So let's plug it in. Okay, powering on. And there we go, powering on. So not mind-blowing, not spectacular in any sort of way. I guess I'm sort of stuck with this smaller ring light. So right away we can see that it is pretty much just a standard ring light. Nothing special about it. It does stick onto a tripod or a small desk tripod if you want to provide extra light during your demonstrations or previews or talking to the camera. Let's turn up the brightness. Nope, that is all the way up. Let's turn down the brightness. Okay, well, there's the feature. You can turn down the brightness. Let's bring it back up and check the color temperatures. We have a warm light, a white light, and more of a natural light. Pretty standard for these types of lights, but you know what? All in all, it's usable. Would I have purchased it off Wish, spent too much on shipping, and waited 5 weeks for it to show up? For this? Definitely not. I would have just picked one up on Amazon, so I knew exactly what I was getting. But at the same time, I'll still use it. And in fact, we'll set it right up here on the table, if possible, for the rest of the video. And it's not possible. All right, well, that's that. At least we've got 3 other things to go through. All righty. Next on the list is this mysterious package. Let's open her up. Yes, this is a selfie stick tripod. This was actually $3 with $4 shipping, so $7 altogether. And what I was looking for was a really small, compact desktop tripod that I could use on my desk here, maybe with the selfie ring light, who knows? Maybe with a camera, maybe with a mic, I don't know. Let's take a look at the back here. It comes with a remote control. It rotates, and it's a tripod. Excellent. Those are three things that if I had no idea what this was and I looked at the back of the box, I would be absolutely floored by the fact that it has those incredible features. So let's pop it out of here. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right. What in the Sam hell is this? Okay, all right. So popping it up here. It's all made of plastic. There's no metal here at all. Looks like this part here stretches out. Oh, boy. Oh, no. It telescopes to a pretty decent distance, but it also comes back down. I won't pass judgment at this point in time. It was a little bit different than I was expecting, but with the circus clown colors. So let's see how she works. All right, got a tripod. What more could I want? Let's put a phone in it. Let's see what it does. All right, let's talk about some of the good things about this little tripod. It is small and compact like I was looking for. This is a pretty heavy iPhone XS. Oh, well, there's my little remote. It is it does support that type of phone, pretty heavy. There is a tilt feature. Let's tilt it all the way down in case I wanted to record something down. It can't go back, so it's only forward. So that doesn't particularly help me because if I'm using the front-facing camera, I can't tilt it downward. But if I'm doing it like this and filming toward myself, that gives me the ability to raise it up and pretty much have a desktop tripod. It does look like there is a rotate feature here, which I can't rotate because the bottom contacts. So I'm not exactly sure what I would do here except for slide my phone all the way to the tippy top, making it a little bit more precarious. And there we go. It does allow for the portrait mode if you're shooting YouTube shorts or TikToks or something like that. So I guess I also have to kind of ask myself, hey, you knew these were probably not going to be the most substantial items you've ever purchased, but will I get use out of them, right? I mean, eventually they might end up breaking, but will I get the use out of them that I need? In the particular case of this tripod, yeah, I'll use it. I mean, like I said, I don't have a lot of desk space here, so if I wanted to have another camera up for a different camera angle, or if I guess I can't even connect the selfie light to it, because there is no, nope, there is no threaded insert for this tripod, so it is just a one use only for my phone. Oh boy. Well, so far I'm 0 for 2, but at least I'll get some use out of them. But I definitely wouldn't recommend this if you're looking for a small little desktop stand. Push test. Yeah. So I guess if I want to carry it around like this as a selfie stick, I could, but who the heck wants to do that nowadays? All right, so 0 for 2. Let's check out the next item. We've got 2 left. All right, so this one is what I believe to be a charging cable. Why a charging cable from Wish.com, Carl? It was $1 with $2 shipping, so $3 altogether. And there was one small little special thing about this charging cable that I wanted to show you all. Well, 2 things. It lights up. But the main thing is this end right here. It actually has a USB-C, a lightning cable, and a mini USB. I have so many devices on my table that I use all the time that having one cord that could potentially be used for all 3 at any point in time would be excellent. So maybe we might get a W on this one. All right, here is the big reveal. Let's plug this in. It's glorious. I suppose, let me hold this a little closer. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a bit of RGB string going through the middle that is going to be 100% completely obnoxious at all times while using this. Now, I knew when I purchased this that it had a bit of RGB to it, and I was really hoping for maybe a little bit of ambiance on my desk, maybe a nice little soft glow while I'm charging, but I wasn't expecting the Circus Carnival RGB from hell. This is going to drive me nuts at all times of the day. Like I said, it does have the one added ability of having each one of the 3 connectors on the end here, the Lightning, the USB-C, and the mini USB. So let's see how it works. Phone test. Plugging in the phone, Lightning. It's charging, working fine. iPad USB-C test, and it's charging. 2 for 2. And speaker, USB mini charging, and it's charging. So I guess I can't complain. I got 3 things here on the end of this little device that will actually put power into products that I own, while at the same time leaving streaks of blindness through my eyeballs. Excellent. So far, we have and not garbage, garbage, garbage. More like, sure, I'll use it until it breaks. So we've got one more item left. And this is one I've been eyeballing for a little while. And I took it out of the package. The package was real rumply. Haven't used it yet. Haven't even opened it yet. I don't know how big it is, but it's this. This is a collapsible green screen that fits onto the back of your chair. This is the one thing that I have a tiny bit of hope for. If I look at it on Amazon, it's around $30, $35, but on Wish, it was $9 with $2 shipping. It does put it a little over the $10 limit, but as far as the purchase price of $9, I'm okay with it, just to see if it potentially could work. So let's show you what it is. In this carrying case that it comes with, it is a folded up, spring-loaded green screen. Hopefully I can get it unwrapped here with the, nope. It's too big. It's too big. Okay, on this picture I'll show you on the screen here, it basically is a green screen that you can strap to the back of your chair, and while you're sitting, it basically envelops you in a green screen that you don't need a stand for, you don't need to hang, you can actually just use it right on the back of your chair. And let me tell you what, I'll open it over here. This sucker is huge. I can't even show you on this screen how big this thing is, but I think one of my biggest all right, one of the biggest things I was worried about was the fact that they were going to send me a little miniature version of what I was expecting, but I might have gotten a good one. So it looks like the Wish.com rabbit hole got me again. I mean, I have things that I'll be able to use, but are they quality items that I'm excited to use every single time I look at them? Probably not. So I thank you guys for being here with me, and I will see you in the next video that I'll put right up here on the screen. I appreciate you. Hit like and subscribe for more. And if you convince me, maybe we'll do another round of Wish.com stuff. Who knows? Regardless of feeling like I got a little cheated on some of these things, it was still fun. Talk to you later. And for now, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.